Ka Sorkar jela lang bagatanat ïalehkai negasi kesanterik urampang arajar arpusau kelapun ku burom ya kisi hajar sispa sapomut kirang bet kita ïalehkai ke belawan ra nambat burom ya kejela hagi jing ïalehkai ke baper ya kini kinong ïalehkai Ka Sorkar kala ai da kesong pisa katanat ïalehkai juga jela kala pelong ya kini ke program bakarpang ha usosotam auditorium Shenlong ha kejeng don lang jong menteri rangba kejela okon sangma kum kongsan menteri katanat ïalehkai uba syakliar warjri kum usumbot kongsan ha kejeng don lang ru jong kitkot joka MSOA jong katanat sports and youth affairs jong Sorkar jela kong isa wanda bat kiwei ha gani kasi katanat ïalehkai kalapun kuburom ru ya kinong ïalehkai ke belayo ban gold medal ha ka Meghalaya Games kabadang sudap sen hanong ba turah kabakam sol tena cusu kalong bak Sorkar kelapun ku burom ru ya kikenhun kai football kejenla kebelawan ra ya ganam kum kanadu haka kilo India Youth Games arjar arpsau na keleng Sorkar kelapun ku burom ya kini kirang ïalehkai da kesong pisah.
So at the very outset, I would like to congratulate all the winners today and really wish you all the very best. You have made yourself, your family, and each and every one of us proud. So I think it would be appropriate that let's give each other, in fact all of you, a huge round of applause. Many congratulations for the great achievements that you have achieved. That we would like to make you as icons and as motivation for other youth to be able to look at you and say that, well, I would like to be like them. And I would like to also be one of those people who are able to achieve. And hence, I would like to tell the youth who are here today that you have a very important and responsible role to play. Today, you might think that you just won a medal. But it's not about just the medal or the award that you will get. It is about the recognition that you're getting today in the state. It's about how your colleagues, your friends, other youth of the state today are looking up to you. Hence, I would request all of you that be that responsible person. Guide other youths. Tell them your story of how you have done and achieved what you have achieved. That you will face challenges in life, but it is how you face them and how you improve and how you overcome them. That is really what matters. And I'm happy to see that the MSOA, the sports department, and all the organizing committee members overcame many challenges and been making the games better and better every year. I really look forward to the games in Genti Hills in July, which will be in about a year's time. And I hope that all of you have started practicing for the event. We really hope that this year we had about 3,000 athletes. I'm hoping that we will be having many more in the next games. Hopefully maybe 4,000 to even 5,000 athletes participating in the future games to come. You will see that it is not just our speeches or the kind of words that we give, but in action, we have been able to invest in our youth. If you minus the infrastructures, which will be more than 700-800 crores today in different infrastructures for the sport within this last 5 years, in the different programs, as I said, for grassroots music program, Yes Meghalaya program, Prime Entrepreneurship program, Northeast Olympics, different Meghalaya games, different association games. The government of Meghalaya has spent more than 125 crores in different programs to organize and to mobilize the youth. And let me assure you that we will continue to do that, and we will be investing in the youth because, as mentioned by our Honorable Sports Minister, you are the future of our state, and we want to give the best opportunity to you to be able to shine in whatever area that you have passion in and that you want to move forward in.